Numbers alone don't change minds, stories built on numbers do. Data storytelling is the discipline of guiding your audience from raw data to a clear conclusion and a recommended action. The three parts of a data story: context. What's the business situation? Why does this metric matter right now? Insight. What did the data reveal? What changed? What's different? What's surprising? Action. What should the audience do as a result? A chart without all three is just decoration. Choose the chart that matches the insight. Sales are falling line chart with the latest point annotated. London is 40% of revenue sorted bar chart with London highlighted. Three products drive 80% of profit. Pareto chart sorted bar plus cumulative line. The chart should make the headline obvious in 3 seconds. Annotate the insight. Add a text box or call out pointing at the key data point. Use a bold color only on the bar or line you want people to notice. Mute everything else. Title the chart with the insight, not the metric. Revenue dropped 15% after the May price change, not monthly revenue. Structure the narrative. For a board pack or executive update, follow this flow. What's happening? Current state versus target. Why? The breakdown that explains it by region, product, customer. So, what implications for the business? What now? Recommended next steps and owners. Avoid these storytelling traps. Showing every chart you built, pick only the ones that support the story. Burying the headline at the bottom of a long deck. Mixing too many colors and visual styles. Numbers without a comparison, a number on its own means nothing. Up 12% on last month is a story. Try this. Take a sales data set and build a one-page summary. Write the headline insight in plain English in one sentence. Pick one chart that makes that insight obvious. Annotate the key data point and rewrite the chart title as the insight. Add 2 bullet points below the chart: why it happened and what to do next. Present it in under 60 seconds. That's the test of good data. Storytelling.